Your hood and trunk emblems are often the first emblems to get replaced under a restoration. When you're ready, we've got reproductions that are indistinguishable from the originals. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1984 to 87 Grand National Hood and 1984 to 87 T-Type Hood and Trunk 3.8 SFI Turbo emblems. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Emblems are manufactured from high-pressure injection molded plastic. These emblems are the most authentic reproductions on the market. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure the quality and authenticity of every part. At the end of the production line, every emblem is finished with chrome plating, just like the originals. In addition, they feature a 3M double-sided stick tape on the back, so installation is very straightforward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.